Okay, can you please stand up? Can you please stand up? কে ধরা খাইছে কে? Okay. Can you please sit down? Can you please sit down? Alamin. Okay. Can you please sit down? আমার কাছে কিন্তু ভিডিও আছে, ঠিক আছে? Can you please sit down? Can you please stand up? ও জব বসে আছে এখনো। Can you please stand up? Please stand up. Can you please stand up? আবারও। Can you please sit down? Oh. Okay, one second. Okay, so Shafet, what's your full name? Okay, your full name is? What's your nickname?
My nickname is. My nickname is Alami.
Excellent. Hello. Where are you from?
I'm from Chapu.
Okay, and what does your father do?
My father's name is.
What does your father do?
My father's name is.
What does your father do?
My father is Chapu.
Jabul, excellent. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rupa.
Okay, can you please sit down? Sit down. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Can you please sit down? Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Chapu.
What's your future plan?
I want to be a doctor.
You want to be doctor? Excellent. And what is your nationality?
I'm nationality in Bangladesh.
I'm Bangladesh. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Chapu.
Where do you study?
I study at Jew school.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 2.
Thank you. Hello. Can you please sit down? Sit down. Okay, thank you. Can you please sit down? Can you please stand up? Can you please sit down? Can you please sit down? Okay, thank you. Mariam, what day is it today? Today is Saturday. Excellent. And how many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
Lovely. Can you please give a big round of applause for Zara? Thank you. Wonderful. Maha, how do you spell your name?
Muntaha.
Muntaha. What's your nickname? When is your birthday? What is your date of birth?
It is 10 July.
Hello. So we are going to celebrate our birthday. Maha is going to celebrate her birthday next 10th July, is it? 10th July. We're going to have a cake and we're going to have cake, you know. So সবাই আমরা কেক খাবো, ঠিক আছে? Okay, next. Can you please sit down? Here's the culprit. Thank you. Can you please sit down? Can you please sit down? Okay, can you please stand up? Can you please sit down? Okay, কিভাবে যেন বসতে হয় ক্লাসে? Okay, thank you. Samia, let me ask you a very simple question. What class do you read in?
Class 1.
You read in class 1. Hello. What class do you read in?
I read in class 2.
Okay, where do you study?
I study at Blue school.
Lovely. What's your future plan?
I want to be a teacher.
Wow. Teacher? Lovely. What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Your father is a businessman. What does your mother do? Mother?
My mother is businessman.
Businessman? মা কি businessman? সত্যি?
মার কথা বলো।
Yeah, তুমি তো mother বলছো. My mother is a
My mother is a homemaker.
homemaker. So her mother is a homemaker. Can you please sit down? Can you please stand up? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Okay, so can you take a long breath? Okay, thank you. Can you please remain silent for a while? Remain silent for a while. Thank you. Remain silent. Remain silent. Okay, so can we have a laugh? What's wrong with you? Okay, can you please cry? Okay, okay. Can you please close your eyes? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Thank you. Can you please open your eyes? Open your eyes. Thank you. Open your eyes. Thank you very much. Wonderful. Thank you. Okay, can you show me your tongue? Can you show me your tongue? Can you show me tongue? Can you show me your tongue? Can you show me? Can you show me your tongue? 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 Okay. Can you show me your tongue? Can you show me your tongue? Can you show me your tongue? Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Can you please sit down? Okay. Can you please stand up? Okay. Thank you. Can you please sit down? Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Subarno. Who is your favorite person?
My person is mother.
Your mother. What about your father? Okay. Who is your favorite person?
My favorite person is mother.
Mother. Who is your favorite person?
My favorite person is father.
Who is your favorite person?
My favorite person is Hazrat Muhammad.
Prophet Muhammad.
Hazrat Muhammad.
Lovely. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Can you please remain silent? Remain silent. Okay. So, কিভাবে যেন বসতে হয়? Thank you. Thank you. Can you please stand up? Can you please sit down? Can you please stand up? Can you please sit down? Can you please stand up? Can you please stand up? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Can you please? Can you please? Yes, sit down, please. Thank you. Can you please give a big round of applause for me? Okay. Okay, thank you. Put your hands together for me. Put your hands together. Loudly. Go on. Thank you. So that's all for today. Allah wa assalamu alaikum.